Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the dust bag on the roborock. This is their Qrevo S. So if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. The vacuum bag is located right here on our glossy white cover. Just pull it out and away from the unit. It comes off very, very easily. Inside that reveals the vacuum bag right there. And we have our removal and installation instructions with a little helpful sticker there. So just go ahead, you grab this, pull it up and out of the way, dispose of the old bag. Take a look in here. If you need to clean or dust anything out, you can do that at this step. And then take your new vacuum bag, line it up like so. Gently press it in, and that's it. You're all set and ready to go. Here's a helpful tip. Go ahead, write the date on the vacuum bag or somewhere on the plastic handle so you know in the future, weeks and months later, how long it's been since you've last changed the bag. So go ahead, do that while you're already here. You'll thank me for that later.